Hi everyone, I hope you're all well out there. Today is Cabochon cutting day again, and today I'm going to cut a cabochon out of some material that's a little bit of an experiment. I haven't made this before, but we'll give it a go and we'll just see whether we end up with a nice cabochon. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. My name is Jeff. Today I've got some material that is a real experiment. It's basically like Jeffenite, except I've put a red backing on it. I've never put a coloured backing on it before. I prefer the nice contrast between the colours and the black back. But I thought, well, why not give it a go? So we'll see whether this works or doesn't work. I have a horrible suspicion that the red background is just going to dominate too much. If you haven't been here before and you liked the video and you'd like to see more, hit the like button and think about subscribing. That'd be appreciated. Now we'll get on with cutting this cabochon. Looking at this piece, it is really hard to see inside it. I think the red background is not helping. I can see there, you can probably see underneath, there is like a void. I think that is primarily just clear, and all the structure is on the top. But I can't see any major flaws. I will cut it into an oval, but I wouldn't be surprised if we lose quite a bit of that structure on the top. Okay, I've decided to rough this out on the wheel here. So we'll get a rough shape to start off with. I have had questions about just how hard I'm pressing on this. Because this wheel is probably getting a bit worn, I am putting a fair bit of pressure on there. Now with an oval, it's good to have a nice curve across here. I'm just squaring up the edges. Now, how's our shape? Getting very close. Could be a bit flat on, we should say fat on that side. How are we going around here? Okay, I think that is very close to the oval we want. I will just take a bit of extra material off of this edge and then I'll put it on the Dop Stick. I don't know, I'll soon be cutting these totally on the Dop Stick. My fingers are getting a little bit, how could I say, too fat. Can't hold things. Yeah, look, it's getting a bit hard for me to hold this, so I'll put this on the Dop Stick and then we'll come back. Warm up my stone as well, because the wax will not stick to a cold stone. And if I do my usual, I'll probably overheat the wax or the stone. Got to stop talking on it. Gee, I did that reasonably well, that one. Push the wax down on the stone and then I'll level it up. The Dop Stick. On the Dop Stick, first thing I'll do is just make sure my shape is correct. It's a bit wonky. We got a hole. We don't want a hole, so I'll just take that right out. Hopefully. This one is being stubborn. I'm not sure how far it goes in, but it's going in the ways. Look, it's on the edge, so I think we'll leave it at that rather than chop a lot more off. So now I have to correct my shape. A little bit more water. Now the door just slammed open. We're pretty close. Just make sure that the edge is square. Okay. Put a slight angle on that edge. Actually, the red does make it a little bit more difficult. It tends to disappear a bit. Oh, how did I go? Did I stuff up the shape? Get my eyes in focus. A little bit. But I think that's pretty right. So now it's a matter of rolling over that edge fully. Well, it just popped off the Dop Stick, which isn't very helpful, so I'll have to go and put that back on before I can finish off. I think we've got a little chip on there, so I'm going to have to take that off. That door again. I think that's fine. I think that is ready to go into the kiln. I'll fire polish it, and tomorrow I'll come back and show you the final stone. Well, I think I was correct. The red colour does dominate the cabochon a great deal. I think it's too much. I would prefer to just have the black background. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I would appreciate that. There are many colours I could try, but I think they're all going to be the same. I think they will just dominate too much. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below, and please consider subscribing, and maybe you'll want to watch a couple of suggested videos up here. And until the next video, I'll have to say bye for now.